So this is slide number 73, the ovary. In the ovary, we have your ovarian cortex and then the medulla, the same thing. So the cortex is the one that is located, the outermost portion. And then if we go inside, this portion here will be the medulla. Okay? So in the cortex will contain the different stages of ovarian follicles. Dito yon, last, yan yon, no? And then if you go inside, in the middle, go medially, that is the ovarian medulla that contains your blood epithelium. Also has your connective tissue. So this is the cortex, that is the medulla. Now we zoom in the cortex, you can see the different stages. Yan, last. Mga itlog. Okay? These are this area is called the ovarian cortex that contains the different stages of the ovarian follicle. Kita niyo yung mga rounded structures there?
Yes.
These are the
Egg cells.
itlog. Now, how do we know the different stages? Please focus yourselves on the lining epithelium of these eggs. No? Pasok tayo. Ayan siya.
Papasukin daw. Wow.
Ang mga itlog. If they are lined with your simple, lined by your simple squamous epithelium, you call this your primordial follicle. It is lined with your simple squamous epithelium known as your primordial follicle. So if we show you this, identify the structure of the pointer, you will write primordial follicle. Now, if we go to another stage, ayan, mga simple squamous pa rin sila. You go medially. Okay? Pag pumunta kayo medially, look for a cell that is lined with your simple cuboidal. Ayan ka. Okay? So that is already cuboidal siya. Oh. So this is already your primary follicle. Look at the difference. This lining epithelium here and this one which is squamous. Okay? So these are your primordial. And the one that I showed you a while ago. Wala. Simple cuboidal is called already the
Huwag kang makulit.
primary.
Hindi naman tinita.
Now, if it is already covered with it will be lined with your stratified cuboidal, that is already your growing follicle.
Ang tawag sa folder niya? Tingin ko magayang mata niya. Hindi mo magagawin. Parang
Sandali ha, mahirap ang hanap. Tuloy muna kayo. Ikaw, Mr. Magasa, maupo ka. Okay, this one task, look at this. Look at that. Okay? It is already lined by your stratified cuboidal. No? Layers na siya ng cuboidal cells. So you call this your growing follicle. So look at the lining epithelial class, ha? If it's lined with your simple squamous, what do you call it?
Primordial follicle.
Hindi kayo nakikinig sa akin.
Primordial follicle.
Sino?
Primordial.
Maganda na naman. Okay, sorry. So, this is your simple squamous class. So, what do you call this? Ito si Mr. Bautista, tingin na tingin kay, si Jonathan.
Ay,
Alam na.
Alam na natin, ha? Ayaw na sa'yo, Jonah. Oh, class, ano yan? Look at the lining epithelium, okay? So, stratified. Ano gusto sabihin stratified? Layers na siya. Pag simple, pag single layer of cuboidal, that's the primary. Pag squamous, primordial. Okay? Yun lang yung papa-identify natin. Probably, we'll let you see this one in different stages and then identify the organ. Siguro makain na to? This one? Identify the organ sa Magapia. Ikaw pa na to. Yan. Nakita niyo na yung mga itlog na yan. Identify the organ.
Ovary.
Penis. Siyempre, ovary.
Pinit kasi may next year.
Class, use your slide guide. Okay, na doon lahat nakasulat yun. You want things to identify.
Doon kayo
Sulat kayo
kukuha
ng sulat. Hindi naman sinig. Pili kasi ng pili. Asa yung Krispy Kreme ng klase?
Hindi, paparin mo.